Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Open Virtual Piano in Roblox and join a room that supports the auto player. Once there, locate or copy the song ID or pastable link you want to play, because the auto player needs that exact input. Make sure you have host rights or permission to queue tracks, otherwise the feature won't accept commands. If you lack permissions, ask the room host or switch to a room where you have control, so you can continue setup immediately. Next, paste the song ID into the auto player input and press enter to load it. This tells the system which note sequence to fetch. Then configure tempo and instrument so the timing and tone match the song. Slower tempos help with accuracy and faster tempos for faithful rhythm. Use loop and volume controls to manage repetition and balance within the room. Once settings look right, preview a short segment to confirm notes align, because fixing mistakes later wastes time and frustrates listeners. Finally, start playback and monitor the note sync indicators so you can spot dropped or early notes. If you hear stuttering or lag, slow the tempo or re-import the song at a simpler resolution. Network or heavy scripts often cause timing issues. Make sure other users aren't flooding the room, and if problems persist, restart the auto player or rejoin the room to clear session errors. A reliable troubleshooting tip: reload the audio file at half speed to identify misaligned measures before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.